Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We always try to bring you videos which are unique and which are useful too. And we always try to bring home decor articles that are beneficial. Today we tried to bring some unique chandelier from the world, and we tried to bring and to collect articles that are definitely unique in nature and design. So we searched a lot and found these beautiful chandeliers. They are from different corners of the world, and they are for modern home decor, or if you want to have traditional home decor too, you can have them. And they are unique and different from the chandeliers in market or in different cultures. And they are definitely beautiful, and but they are designed in such a beauty that they look just amazing. They are definitely costly, but their price is worth them because they are just fabulous. In some of them, some precious stones are used, and precious metals are used in forming them, and the shapes are also beautiful and different from the other type of chandeliers. And the type of candle stands, the type of lights in them, they all make them an object different from other chandeliers. And as you can see, this one, uh, this looks like a branch of tree, and it's just amazing. And the second one, it also there the some of them have unique and beautiful pearls in them. And the crystal used in them is also costly, and but they are durable definitely. And this one is just amazing. You can see that the previous one was made of a branch, and with the hanging crystal with it, and this too is just a masterpiece with hanging crystal. And the crystal used in them and the metals used in them are very high in quality, and their designing make them more precious. And the lights and their quality inside these chandeliers are just amazing. So if you like these lights and these chandeliers, please like and subscribe our channel, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it. So next time when you we are bringing something new, you can be the first one to see it. And we will try to bring unique articles of home decor in future too, as we try to bring them. And they are just fabulous articles. And thank you for staying with us and enjoying this useful video. And please give us a thumbs up.